G'day guys, Friday afternoon, well Friday lunchtime, 28th of May. Just quick follow up, very quick one from yesterday's video. Still nothing new, everything's still playing out as we thought, but I just want to make sure you are aware of the following. We've got this not breaking out yesterday. I said, please, it has to break above this 41,000 level, otherwise it's not gonna do the flag up and get to this 46,000 level. The moment I'm seeing, I put my graph in for you, or my lines, so you can see the A, the B, the C, the D, the E, and then down move. So if this cannot break this yellow golden line I put here, if it cannot get above that, I said yesterday, to get it up there, it's going to do this sort of pattern and that gives you A, B, C, D, E for a triangle. And triangle after a move down like this is always a bearish triangle, and it gives you a target to there. All right, so I've got it. There's the yellow line, and there's the one down there. So once it finishes this triangle and it breaks this area here, it's unfortunately going to see 22,000 guys, 22 or 20,000, from where we can see a bounce again. So unfortunately, Bitcoin not looking very bullish. So this is probably going to be the whole weekend going sideways like this. As long as we're in between those two yellow lines, it's not going to go anywhere. And then it'll most likely come down to 22,000, and then we might see a reversal from there. So all the others are still following exactly the same pattern still. Even Litecoin as well, came down, hit the channel resistance, and now doing correction. This kind of needs to stop here and break through. If it can't, or SHIB, I'm still waiting for this low. Remember this channel here, I'm waiting for us to break the low down here, and then it will go up, should. And then same for Doji. Doji is still doing perfectly as predicted. We've got an A, got a B. Remember I said to you, I would like to see another low. So I'm still waiting for this low to finish, and then we should see a nice move on Doji. So Doji is looking good. If you're holding. So if I've got spare cash, I might even buy some at 15. But unfortunately, I think I've put everything into XRP already. Ripple, XRP, this one is still doing as it's supposed to. Let me go to, okay, so it has done that, and it's coming down to this area where I want to buy. In fact, I'm buying right now. And I just want to, well, that's me, okay? I'm not saying you must do it. So I'm adding some more to my portfolio for Ripple, XRP, and I'll see if it gets to here. I might have to see about closing my position, because this could still be an ABC and then down. But of course, like I said yesterday, I'm hoping for this to be 1, 2, 3, all the way up, and then 4, 5. All right, so that's what I'm still hoping for in my XRP. Let me just go to 1 hour, see if I've got more detail for you. Okay, so all I've got here is, okay, so I've got my A, or 1, and now I've got my B sideways down there, buying right here at 46.85, 86 cents. So I'm hoping for a nice bounce from here. All right, so I'm in here again, and let's see if I can get to my target of 130. All right, guys, that's it for now. And yeah, unfortunately for BTC, it's going to be a long, dragged out weekend. Okay, doing the sideways movement. Good luck.